What's going on, guys? It's Bucks Forex here, and today I'm here for another breakdown of a Judas swing trade on the 5-minute time frame EURUSD pair. Let's get straight in. Before I break down this trade for you guys, I have a Discord link in my bio where you can trade with me, VIP, every single day and get the same results I do. The Discord is free to join. You can get yourself in and you can have a look at the results. You can talk to people like-minded. However, if you do want to follow my trades, there's a VIP plan in there for you guys to join. Now, without further ado, let me break down this trade for you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is identify your Asian session range. Now, you can do this on your own based off of timings and drawings. However, I always recommend that you use this indicator. It makes your life so much easier and you don't have to worry about drawing it up yourself. This one is called the Asian session range. All you do is you click here and you type Asian session range in by Rob Minty, and then you calculate your timings. If you head back to my last video, you can find out how to calculate your timings on there, or you can Google it or find another YouTube video. But once you've got that set up, come back and I'll show you how to do the rest. So I have a checklist here of what we're going to be going through today, how to find yourself a Judas swing on a currency pair. Now, we're using the TradingView website and the 5-minute time frame. That's very important. The first thing we're going to be looking for is a sweep of the Asia high or low. Now, to find a sweep of the Asia high or low, we are going to extend the high or low from our session indicator. Now, once you have these drawn out, you can go ahead and wait for a sweep where the candle passes either the low or the high of this Asia session. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll play price forward. And on this day, as you have it, you have a sweep of the Asia low. Now, ideally, you'd like a candle to come back and break back into the Asia session, because that means you know that there's going to be a reversal, because what we're looking for is a sweep and then a push back to the opposing end. So now that we have a sweep, we can go back to our checklist and identify what we need next. So now we have our sweep. Now we need to look for a market structure shift. Very important again on the 5-minute time frame. Now, to identify a correct market structure shift, first of all we need to see where we're going to shift from. Now, I'm going to put my market structure shift here, because if you're looking at price action, a higher low again here. However, we failed to create a higher high here. So that means we had a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, confirming that we have changed to bearish. So now we are pushing down this side. We are looking for any type of point of interest, such as here, 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 any type of valid structure point that we can mark as a market structure shift. I would count here as it consolidate a little bit before dropping to the Asia low. So our market structure shift line is here. Now what we do is we play price. We wait for a close above the market structure shift, and it's important that the body of the candle closes above, because if it's a wick, it does not count. And the reason being is because if it wicks above the market structure shift, it means that it's rejected the shift and will not push through. So now we have our candle body closing above the market structure shift. We know we're set and we can look for an entry. Now we have our market structure shift, our sweep, our shift. Now we look for an order block or a fair value gap entry. In this case, we have two fair value gaps and an order block on the closest fair value gap to the market structure shift. Now, this is a riskier entry than the order block or the fair value gap here. However, if you'd like to guarantee that you get into the trade, it's more likely that you get fulfilled, then the closest fair value gap works. If you'd like to better risk to reward, however less likely that you get entered, you can use this order block. However, today we're going to be based off this fair value gap here. So now we've identified our fair value gap entry, we can go ahead and place our trade. So we have our sweep here, our market structure shift here, our fair value gap here, and we are going to set our trade. So our stop loss will be below the low, and our take profit will be at opposing liquidity. In this case is Asia high. So this is how you'll place your long position. Stop loss below the low, and the take profit at the opposing liquidity. Now in this scenario, our risk to reward ratio is 1.3, meaning that it's positive, and for every $100 you risk, you'll make 130 back. Now from here we have our sweep, market structure shift, fair value gap entry, and we play price out. What does it do? It comes down, taps us in straight away. If I drag our entry over here, taps us into our trade straight away, and if it didn't tap us in, it did there. Minimum drawdown just to the bottom of the fair value gap, and away we go. As you can see, it absolutely rockets and smashes our take profit straight away. That is a nice and easy breakdown of the Judas swing on the 5-minute time frame for the Euro USD pair. Now you can use this trade on Euro USD, you can use it on GBP USD, you can use it on NAS 100, US 30. We've been trialing it on oil when it seems to be going well. So you guys can try this on any pair that you'd like, but those are the ones that I use and the ones I watch. If you'd like to trade alongside me, again, I have my Discord in the description, so get yourself signed up, trade with me every single day, take my signals, I'll do the chart work for you, and you can see the profit. Thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. I'll see you in the Discord.